In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Lenovo promo codes in 2024. So this is pretty simple and we'll jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and search for Lenovo promo codes. Right here, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find this website, which is couponfollow.com. And if you open this website, as you can see, we have a list with different type of promo codes and deals that we can choose from. And for example, if I want this offer with 20% off my next order, all I have to do is select your coupon code right here and copy and use this promo code on my next purchase in order to get that discount. So all you have to do is just scroll through these options, find the best one for you, and use that promo code to get your discount. Also, you can go back to your main search right here and go to voucher codes. And right here, as you can see, there are other type of promo codes that you can use from. And for example, if you want to get this one with a free delivery, all you have to do is select get deal, and you can you will be redirected to Lenovo page where that promo code will be automatically applied. So this is also today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.